Hi everyone, welcome back to Epicurean Kitchen. I'm Chef Tommy and today we are making Chaat Masala lamb to pair with our relish roussan. Start by chopping your garlic and slicing your onion. Sear the lamb and season with salt. Add your lamb to a pot with the garlic and onion. Add Herbie's Chaat Masala spice. Add your beef stock and potatoes, then simmer for 2 hours. Steep Herbie's tea and coffee masala with coconut milk. Strain the coconut milk into the pot and add peas. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. For more food and wine pairings, subscribe to our channel and visit williamsonwines.com.